Hello again, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the best 5 cosmetic cases for travel in 2024 on Amazon that I would love you to see. Let's start with this large capacity travel cosmetic case, a stylish and functional makeup bag made from easy to clean, water-resistant PU leather. With its 180-degree large opening, double zipper design, and top handle, it's perfect for daily or travel use. Available in purple and 17 other colors, it's priced at just $11 with a 40% discount. Rated 4.5 stars from 2,559 reviews, over 100 people purchased it last month, praising its spaciousness and versatility. Customers love how organized it keeps their essentials, making it a must-have for any beauty routine. Next up, Toiletry Cosmetic Case. This large-capacity organizer features convenient elastic straps, transparent pockets, and a 360-degree rotatable hook, perfect for travel, business trips, or fitness routines. Available in beige and 3 other colors, it's priced at $22 with a 23% prime discount. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 349 reviews, over 400 have purchased it recently, praising its functionality and stylish design, making it a must-have for organizing your essentials. Again, the PU Leather Travel Cosmetic Case, a 3-piece set with 2 detachable zipper bags and 5 compartments, is ideal for organizing cosmetics on trips, vacations, or outdoor activities. Made from waterproof PU leather, it comes in light blue and 30 other colors. Priced at $19 with a 17% discount, it has a 4.6-star rating from 951 reviews, with over 1,000 purchases last month. Customers rave about its stylish design, spaciousness, and versatility, making it a perfect gift and travel companion. We have also this Pocmimut Cosmetic Case, crafted from premium PU leather with a sleek, clear design for easy access to your beauty essentials. Perfect for travel, commuting, or daily use, it's highly versatile as a makeup pouch or toiletry bag. Available in long beige and 11 other colors, it's priced at $10 with a 39% prime discount. Rated 4.6 stars from 485 reviews, over 300 people purchased it last month. Customers love its durability, stylish look, and convenience, making it a perfect travel companion or gift. Finally, the HOTOR Travel Toiletry Cosmetic Case. It features 4 zippered compartments, transparent leak-proof pockets, and a 360-degree swivel hook for easy access. Available in pink and 4 other colors. This versatile and waterproof bag is perfect for travel, business trips, and gym use. Priced at $14, it's rated 4.5 stars from 762 reviews, with over 1,000 sold last month. Customers love its organization, portability, and sturdy design, making it a travel essential. Well, that is for today's video, my lovers. A roundup of the top 5 cosmetic cases for travel in 2024 on Amazon. Whether you prioritize security, durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product and happy shopping.